Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. So this session is all about the comparison of the different page replacement algorithms. In my previous sessions, I have explained these algorithms with example, the FIFO, first in, first out, optimal, LRU, least recently used, second chance, clock, NRU, not recently used page replacement algorithms. So let us summarize here now. So the very first one, FIFO, we'll write a remark here against each of this algorithm, first in, first out. So one sentence I have written here might throw out important pages, because in the FIFO, what is the logic? The oldest page is replaced. If at all the oldest page is replaced, okay, and that page may be in demand immediately next also or after few pages also, because the page may be having certain variables which may be in constant use by the process. That's the reason it might throw out some important pages. So if the demand for that page is again and again, then it results in what? Page faults frequently, and that will what? Decrease the performance of the algorithm. So that is about the first in, first out. Optimal page replacement, what is the comment here? Not implementable but useful as a benchmark. Yes, definitely it is not possible to implement this. What is the logic? The page that will be used very late in future, that particular logic is used here in optimal. It is very difficult to predict here which page will be used very late. So normally even the process itself will not be knowing which pages will be used okay, very late in future, because it is only during runtime some of the processes may request for certain pages. So that's the reason even this particular algorithm is what? Not implementable. It is just a theoretical, but definitely what? No, it is useful as a benchmark to compare the results with all other algorithms. This optimal can be used. LRU is least recently used. Excellent but difficult to implement. Exactly, because LRU is what? It is you replacing a page which was used long back in the past. So a page that was used long ago will be replaced here in this algorithm. So this is also very difficult to implement exactly, because for this to implement a hardware is required. If the hardware is not available, then this is not possible to implement at all. Second chance page replacement is an improvement over the first in, first out. That we have seen definitely. It's not that the oldest page to be replaced. The page which is in constant use will not be replaced here. So by using the reference bit 1, we are giving the what? We are increasing the lifespan of the page. We are making the page to stay in the memory itself for a longer period of time. So that way it is an improvement over the FIFO. Clock page replacement is quite realistic here. It has got the same performance properties of the second chance algorithm. It is just a different way of implementation of second chance page replacement algorithm. But one advantage is it takes very less time in executing this algorithm. NRU not recently used, very crude approximation of LRU. So why we say this sentence is, see, here it is not just one page that is chosen here for replacement. Randomly from a class, a page is chosen for replacement, because it is divided into 4 classes, 0, 1, 2, 3, and in each of the class there may be hundreds of pages. Randomly choosing one page out of that hundreds of pages is definitely a crude way, rough way of handling. So that's the reason NRU we say it is a very crude approximation of LRU. This is all about the different remarks which we can make for each of these algorithms. Hope you find this session useful. If you find this session useful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.